What's up guys, hope you are all doing well. In this video I am going to share with you these wood floor materials, and also I'm going to show you how to load them directly to your scene. Okay, so firstly you need this to download this script. It's not a free script, it's a paid script. It will cost you around 20 bucks, but it's worth it. I use it a lot. Also I'm going to show you the free way how to load your materials, but it will take you a lot of time. Okay, so firstly by using this script, after downloading and installing it, you can use it. You will get this icon and you can use it to load your texture. Open it, select load textures. Let's select this one, okay? So select all the textures except for the previews and hit open, and it will load your textures automatically to the specific slots. So for example, glossiness into glossiness, bump into bump, etc. After that, you will choose your rendering engine, Vray or Corona, in my case Vray, and hit create material. Now you have your materials created. You can drag and drop it directly to your object, or you can load it to your material editor. Let's select the albedo and hit show shaded material in viewport, and that's it. You need to add Vray displacement mode modifier and turn on use object material to use the displacement map from the material, and of course adjust the amount until you get something you are suitable for your scene, and that's it. You can hit render and see your results. The second way is the free way, but it will cost you a lot of time, so you need to make a new material. We'll choose material, Vray material, and you need to load the maps, every single map by yourself. So for albedo and ambient occlusion, you need to make a composite map. Okay, select it, add a new layer, attach the albedo to the first layer and the ambient occlusion to the second layer, and change it to multiply and attach it to the diffuse. You need to load the normal map and the bump map also, and make a new map, Vray normal map. Attach the normal to normal and bump, and attach it to the bump. Now you need to load the glossiness into the glossiness, reflection glossiness. Okay, specular means reflection, so you can add specular into the reflect map. And finally we have displacement map. You will add it here to the displacement, and optionally you can add also a roughness map as a final touch. So here you have it. This is the free way. It will take you a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of materials, but by using the material texture loader, it will save you a lot of time.